vlogs, puppy madness, mini discussion videos, and more. Reagan and me won. What's up, guys? Reagan and me here, back with another video, and today we are doing Nerf gun battle. Let's get right on to it. Okay, let's go on. Let's go in the battle. Let's go. The battle. Let's go. Oh God, sorry guys. Oh God.
I only have like 2 months left.
The camera's the only one that can see you. Oh guys. Oh, do not get up. Fudge!
Oh!
Fudge! Oh, fudge! Oh, fudge!
I have 1 more left. If I take you out, win this round, okay?
You ain't touching me.
You ain't touching me.
What?
Oh,
Oh, fudge. Fudge is fudge. Fudge.
Fudge crimpet. Gotta go to the Artisans' place.
Quit! Beep. Pause.
Give me the black bullet.
Here, let's switch sides. Switching sides.
Hey, give me my black bullet back.
Okay, give me my green bullets back. I need 2 green bullets for a black bullet. Trade.
I bought it.
Okay, it started. The camera's on.
Oh, the camera's on.
Oh,
I got you.
no, you got my camera.
Oh, man.
Beep, 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 beep. Don't say that to the camera.
Oh, I got your green bullet.
Everything's recording you.
Beep, 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 beep.
Saying that. I have to censor that now.
You ready? Hey, where are you?
Get down, you jerk. I got
Beep.
I'm about to shoot you in the face. That's the worst thing to do. Never, ever triple depper get out of your thing.
Oh my God, if I hit you. Oh! I'm out of bullets. Hold on. What am I gonna do? I'm
Here
out.
you go, teammate.
Thank you.
Yeet.
Give me my black bullet.
I don't know where it is.
Beep. By the way, guys, sorry for black screen and not recording anything. I just couldn't talk and shoot and do everything at the same time. Bye.
Fudge and crimpets. Face my lightsaber. Do that in the camera again. Light it up. Don't shoot me. Just light it up. If I crock it, then you won't shoot me.
Okay.
We're calling it truth. Wait. What's up, guys? Hopefully you guys enjoyed the Nerf gun video. If you did, smash like and subscribe down below. Good night.